it's Chef Kayla with Waller Adventures. Today we're with Grandma Lois and we are making pastry from scratch for our chicken and pastry. So stick around and we'll show you how. So the first thing we do is put flour in a bowl and we add water and stir. Next you're going to want to put flour out so you can roll out your dough. Now you're going to take your rolling pin and roll it out. Next you want to cut out your strips with your pizza cutter. Then you want to place your pastry pieces onto a piece of tin foil so they can dry. Once you're done cutting your pastry strips, you want to let them dry on a piece of tin foil because right now they are wet and sticky. You want them dry so you can make your chicken and pastry. The next step is to boil your chicken. After you boil it, you want to let it sit and cool before you take it off the bone. This part is optional, but you can add boiled eggs to your chicken and pastry. Once you're done boiling your chicken, keep the chicken broth and you can use it to boil your pastry in. Once your pastry is cooked, you can add in your chicken and your boiled eggs. Alright, the official taste tester.
How is it?
Finger licking good.
Yum, yum, yum.
Did you like this cooking video? Then check us out on our YouTube channel at Waller Adventures. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified on when we post videos. Also check us out on Facebook at Waller Adventures and on our Instagram page at Waller_Adventures. Thanks for viewing the video. Hope to see you soon.